The title of this presentation, Financial Miscalculations, a Roadmap to Miscalculations in Teaching and Learning, and FSM 3040, Food and Beverage Financial Systems. FSM 3040 is a course I just recently started to teach, but find myself having 3 to 4 sections now a semester. While completing this assignment, the frustration of how the course was designed and laid out had my mind spinning on what I wanted to focus my +1 UDL solution story on. But in this presentation, I will discuss what is working well and what barriers I have identified that students face in this course. I will connect those barriers to UDL engagement checkpoints, and I'll offer you my +1 UDL solution. So when I investigated and reflected on what was working well, I found that 7.1, optimizing relevancy, value, and authenticity, by engaging students and their assignments using industry-based scenarios for calculating improving financial performance in food and beverage information in businesses, using real economic information, food cost, beverage cost, labor cost, and tying it to scenarios that I encountered in my career. 8.1, heightened salience of goals and objectives. Every class I start with a to-do list, and that to-do list has the daily and weekly objectives, along with assignment and due dates and reminders. I also send out reminders 24 hours before the due date, and then the to-do list, we discuss at the beginning of class, discuss rubrics, and clarify any questions. 9.1, promote expectations and belief that optimize motivation. By adding unlimited low-stake quizzes, I find that the students are motivated to take the quiz multiple times to improve their grade, but also to improve their learning and to reinforce the course content. My UDL engagement-related barrier, one of the course objectives of this course is to prepare electronic spreadsheets to manage financial information occurring within food and beverage operations. As we know, the course objective should not have the means of achievement included in the objective. And in this case, it says, prepare electronic spreadsheets. This course has 3 course assignments, and those course assignments are worth 20% of the student's final grade. And the way that the course is currently structured, the students have to use Excel to complete all 3 of those course assignments. And I find that students struggle with using Excel, and that the students often use a calculator with Excel to calculate the answers, to figure out the answers to the assignments. The student assignment grades are lower than the quizzes, midterm, and final exam scores, where they show their content knowledge without using Excel worksheets and workbooks. So my question is, why should students use and be only allowed to use Excel to calculate the course assignments and to show their content knowledge? The UDL checkpoint that I'm going to apply is 7.1, optimize relevancy, value, and authenticity. This checkpoint will provide learners with autonomy in selecting the modality of how they would like to submit the 3 course assignments, as well as all the other calculations that are done in this course. For each of the 3 course assignments the students will have, they can have the following options now to complete the assignments. They can go and continue to use Excel, but they will also be provided templates for Google Sheets, Apple Numbers, and they can continue to work on printed worksheets with a calculator. Or if they want to use a calculator with electronic spreadsheets, that's fine. I will provide the additional template versions as part of this redesign and solution. There will be 1 rubric to assess all modalities of any type of submission for all 3 assignments. My focus course is not user-friendly or learner-friendly as it currently is. It needs updating and incorporating UDL principles. So reflecting, I will be asking the students to also reflect. And in the 3 sections of the course I'm teaching this semester, I'm asking them to take a redesign survey in order to get their feedback and implementation of changes. Additionally, there's too much emphasis placed on the means of completing calculations instead of how students are understanding and using the concepts for financial management. Any questions? I look forward to engaging with you on any questions you may have.